Hello friends, welcome to Codesay. Today we will discuss what is the Dev Tunnel and how to use it. Dev Tunnel allows developers to securely share local web services across the internet, enabling you to connect your local development environment with cloud services and share work in progress with colleagues. Dev Tunnel is for ad hoc testing and development, not for production workload. Now we can access our web applications or APIs on another machine or any device without deploying on a server. Prerequisite Visual Studio with version 70.5 Preview 3 or later, and one important thing is this feature is not available in Visual Studio for Mac. Now we will go into Visual Studio and check how to use it. First, I need a web application for debugging and testing this concept. So let's create an ASP.NETCore MVC application. For that, I will click on the create a new project. Then select ASP.NETCore web app template. Click on next and give a meaningful name. Dev Tunnel Demo App. Then click on Next and Create. So here ASP.NETCore sample MVC application ready for testing and debugging. We will run the application and check the URL. As you can see, URL is localhost and this URL is accessible only this system, not another system and anywhere. We will check using the remote connection. So I will copy this URL and connect to another system. So as you can see, I connected with another system. So I will try to access our localhost URL in our remote system. You can see the result. I am not able to access this URL on remote system. But using the Dev Tunnel we can access. So we will configure Dev Tunnel in our project. For Dev Tunnel you need to go here. Then here you have one option Dev Tunnel. Then select create a tunnel. Here auto-populate account name and here we need to give tunnel name. So I will give demo Dev Tunnel. Then we need to select a tunnel type and here we have two options, temporary and persistent. If you select a temporary, then it will change the tunnel URL every time whenever you stop the project and run it again. And if you select a persistent, then it will provide the same URL every time. We will go with persistent. Then we need to select access. So you have three options for access: private, organizational and public. So private means if you select private, then you can access this URL using only this account. If you select organizational, then access the URL which belongs to your account's domain. And if you select public, then everybody can access and everywhere access it. Here we will go with public and click on OK. So here you get one message, your dev tunnel has been successfully created and is selected as the currently active tunnel. Okay. Now I will run this project. Here you can see our dev tunnel is selected. Now I will run this project. Just here you get one confirmation message and you need to select continue. Then you can access it your application. This is the dev tunnel URL. Using this URL we can access this application on another machine as well as anywhere. Also we can debug and test it on another machine. So we will check it. I copy this URL. Now I already connected with one remote system. So I will try to access it. So here you can see again we get one confirmation. So here just we need to click on continue. Now we can access our local application on another system. Also I will show you how to debug our application when it's running on another system. So this is AnyDesk system and I am accessing the application in this system, but it's running on my local Visual Studio. I will set a debug point here on privacy action. First I will click on the home link button and then I will click on the privacy link. So it's going here and I can debug it. You can see it's not render this page private because it's available here. That's why it's a debugging. When I click or I press the F10 button and from here I will continue. Then it's rendering on another system. So this is a dev tunnel concept in Visual Studio. Thank you for watching my video. Do like, share and subscribe my channel.